Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error that says that another application is blocking Google Play. So let's get started right away. First of all, this kind of error typically occurs when the latest update to your Google Play Store is not working as intended. So the first thing that you can try is to uninstall the updates. So in order to do this, just open up your phone settings and then scroll down and tap on Apps. Once you tap on this, you will be shown all of the applications that are installed on your device. Just scroll down and look for Google Play Services. Now just tap on it and then make sure that all of the permissions are allowed. After ensuring this, go back and then tap on Force Stop so that this application will stop for a while. Then you can try installing the application from the Google Play Store once again, and this time you will see that it will work. If it still doesn't work, then open up your phone settings and tap on Applications. From the Applications page, scroll down and look for Google Play Store. Then just tap on it, and from the application page, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and tap on Uninstall Updates. This will then uninstall the latest version and revert back to the last stable version that worked just fine on your device. Now check if it works. Now check if the application installation works, and if it does, then you're good to go. Otherwise, tap on Storage and then try clearing your data and clearing your cache as well. Once you do those, try installing your application then, and now you will see that the installation runs just fine. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix another app is blocking Google Play issues on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.